Hello everyone, so if you want to insert two SIM cards into your Xiaomi Redmi Note 13, so first of all, we are to grab our SIM ejecting tool, here it is, and now we are to locate our SIM tray. So here it is at the bottom of our phone. Insert your SIM ejecting tool into it and take it out. Now, let's grab our SIM card. So grab the first one, find the SIM one and insert it and make sure that the contacts are facing outwards. You should hear like this little pleasant click when you insert your SIM card. Now grab the second one and do the same. So locate it. Hear this little click once again. So here we've got both our SIM card contacts facing upwards. Now grab your phone and insert your SIM tray in it. Alright, now let's unlock our phone. And as you see, we've got two of them detected. So the second card is still loading up, but yeah, right here, they're all detected. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.